வீடியோவை பார்ப்பதற்கு முன் நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலாம், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். கூடவே பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.
மாணவ செல்வங்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பயோசுவாலஜி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். யூனிட் 1 சாப்டர் 1 ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் இன் ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ். இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் 2 marks. Encystment, pseudopodiospore or amoebulae, plasmotomy, conjugation, pedogenic pathogenesis. Important 3 marks. Fission, regeneration in hydra, apolysis of tania, syngams. Important 5 marks. Parthenogenesis. Chapter 2 human reproduction. Important 2 marks. Organogenesis, axillary duct and gland, spermiation, insulin, Braxton Hicks contraction, ectopic pregnancy. Important 3 marks. Structure of sperm, oxytocin and relaxin, fetal ejection or Ferguson reflex, colostrum, polyspermy, primary germ layer organs, structure of ovum. Important 5 marks. Menstrual cycle, dick spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Chapter 3 reproductive health. Important 2 marks. Lactational amenorrhea, tubectomy and vasectomy, symptoms and gonorrhea AIDS, CVS, fetoscope. Important 3 marks. Amniocentesis, MTP, Sahel. Important 5 marks. Birth controlling methods, ART. Unit 2, Chapter 4 Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Important 2 marks. Multiple allism, erythroblastosis or hemolytic disease, gypsy moth, Hallandrock genes, kin selection. Important 3 marks. Red-green color blindness or daltonism, blood group, sex determination in human beings, hemophilia or bleeders disease, Mendelian disorders. Important 5 marks. Chromosomal abnormalities. Chapter 5 Molecular genetics. Important 2 marks. 1 gene, 1 enzyme hypothesis. Differences DNA and RNA. Nucleotide subunit. Differences nucleotide and nucleoside. Phosphodiester bond, ribosome, genophere, dig nucleosome, central dogma, Kornberg enzyme, log operand model, satellite DNA. Important 3 marks. Properties of genetic material, replication fork, salient features of genetic code, sickle cell anemia, Wobble hypothesis, tRNA adapter molecule. Important 5 marks. Human Genome Project, DNA fingerprinting steps. Chapter 6 Evolution. Important 2 marks. Big Bang Theory, Golden Age of Reptiles, Protobions, Convergent and Divergent Evolution or homologous or analogous structure, vestigial and atavistic organ. Important 3 marks. Molecule clock, struggle of existence, modern synthetic theory, gene flow and genetic drift, Hardy-Weinberg principle. Important 5 marks. Array and Miller experiment. Unit 3, Chapter 7 Human Health and Diseases. Important 2 marks. Pathogenic bacteria, Widal test, Nipah virus, amoebiosis, signet ring stage, types of malaria, filariasis, immunology, Peyer's patches, antigen and antibody interactions, mental depression, liver cirrhosis, open salon, vaccination, anaphylaxis. Important 3 marks. Kalayer, eukinetic. Bursa of Fallerisis, type of antigen, autoimmune disease, prevent and control PF alcohol. Chapter 8, microbes in human welfare. Important 2 marks. Lactic acid bacteria, oenology, zymology, breweries yeast, industrial alcohol. Important 3 marks. Penicillium, MFC, biogas unit, bioremediation. Chapter 9, applications of biotechnology. Important 2 marks. Interferons, differentiate between somatic and gene therapy, stem cell therapy, gene augmentation, multipotency. Important 3 marks. Insulin, transgenic animals, animal cloning. Important 5 marks. ELISA, PCR. Unit 5, Chapter 10, organisms and populations. Important 2 marks. Habitat, Bergmanis, Allen's, Jordan's rule. Differentiate stepothems and eurythems. Pedosphere, natality and mortality, aquatic biomass of earth. Important 3 marks. Growth model, differentiate or case selected species. Population regulations, properties of soil, types of response. Important 5 marks. Adaptations of aquatic animals, major biomass of earth. Chapter 11, biodiversity and its conservation. Important 2 marks. Biodiversity, hotspots, extinction and endangered organisms. Red Data Book, differentiate in situ and ex situ conservation. Important 3 marks. IVCN, global climate changes, causes of biodiversity loss, levels of biodiversity, latitudinal gradients. Important 5 marks. Species, area relationship, extinction. Chapter 12, environmental issues. Important 2 marks. Pollution and classification, smog, air quality index, biomagnification and eutrophication, e-waste. Important 3 marks. Effects of air and water pollution, methods of radioactive waste, ecocent toilets, medical waste, major sources of solid waste. Important 5 marks. Sewage treatment process, noise pollution.